Pure algebra, 10 questions, back to back. No word problems, no geometry, just the bread and butter the SAT throws fastest. The goal isn't only right, it's right and quick. Pencil ready or Desmos open, your call. First one's on the screen now. Lock in. Solve. 3x minus 7 equals 20. Nine. Add 7 to both sides. 3x equals 27, then divide by 3. 27 is the trap. That's 3x, not x. Always finish the divide. Find the slope of the line through the points 2, 3 and 6, 15. Three. Rise over run. 15 minus 3 is 12. 6 minus 2 is 4. 12 over 4 is 3. Flip it by accident, and you get 1/3. Keep the y's on top. Factor. X squared minus 5x plus 6. X minus 2 times x minus 3. Find two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to -5. That's -2 and -3. Both signs negative, since the product's positive and the sum's negative. If 2x plus 3y equals 12 and 2x minus 3y equals 0, what is x? Three. Add the two equations. The y terms cancel. For x equals 12, x is 3. Elimination shines when the coefficients already line up like this. Or tap the intersection in Desmos. Simplify. 3 times the quantity x minus 4 plus 2x. Five x minus 12. Distribute the 3. 3x minus 12. Then add the 2x. Combine like terms 5x minus 12. Forgetting to distribute to the 4 is where points leak. Simplify. X to the 8th divided by x to the 3rd. X to the 5th. Same base divided. Subtract the exponents, 8 minus 3. Adding them to get x to the 11th is the reflex error division subtracts. Solve. X over 3 plus 2 equals 7. (15) Subtract 2 first. X over 3 equals 5. Then multiply both sides by 3. 15. The trap is stopping at 5. That's x over 3, not x. Solve. X squared minus 16 equals 0. Plus or minus 4. Add 16. X squared equals 16, and the square root gives two answers, positive and -4. Writing just 4 forgets the negative root, and that's the whole trap. Solve. 5x plus 2 equals 3x plus 14. Six. Get the x's together. Subtract 3x. 2x plus 2 equals 14. Subtract 2. 2x equals 12. X is 6. Move variables to one side, numbers to the other. A line has slope 2 and passes through the point 3, 10. What is its y-intercept? Four. Use y equals mx plus b. Plug in. 10 equals 2 times 3 plus b. That's 10 equals 6 plus b, so b is 4. The y-intercept is just b once you solve for it. That's a wrap on the algebra run. Speed here comes from reps, not tricks. The 10th time you solve for x, it's automatic. Missed a couple? Perfect. Those are your reps for tomorrow. Drop your time in the comments and subscribe for the next speedrun. See you there. Lock in.